Now we're going to turn it over to the F-22 Raptor team. You're going to be amazed. My good
16, the F-35 is now combat capable. These capabilities allow the F-35 pilots to penetrate the most hostile areas of the world without the threat of detection. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies anytime, anywhere. Designed to provide the pilot with unsurpassed situational awareness, positive target identification, and precision strike, the F-35 is the future of Air Force aviation. The firefighter Nicholas Mercinger from Troy, Illinois, Staff Sergeant Kyle Riley from Palm Springs, California, and our avionics technician is Staff Sergeant Jeremy Miller from Farmington, Minnesota. And now it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you the newest and most technologically advanced fifth-generation aircraft in the world. I present to you the F-35.
Joint Base Langley Eustis in Hampton, Virginia. It is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today a capability demonstrates a vital role in the defense of this nation and represents your Air Force's dedication to aim high, fly, fight, and win, ensuring our ability to meet any challenge, anytime, under any conditions, anywhere in the world. As today's demonstration begins from your left, you will see the Raptor execute a maximum power pull, producing 70,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. At a safe altitude, Major Dickinson will quickly loop the aircraft, reversing his flight path, and then roll while diving straight down. So now, it's time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor. Must have a clean profile, requiring all of your bombs and missiles to be carried internally. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly maneuverable stealth fighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapons load. Ready your canvas as the Raptor banks in from the left and cycles his weapons bay doors. Folks, if you've ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. F-22 Raptor proudly presents the dedication pass. The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will even in extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a full 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will then flip backwards and level off. Then, in less than 2,000 feet of altitude and under complete control, Major Dickinson will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. And show you what the advanced flight controls and engines can do. As it executes the power loop, you'll see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical fight as it carves through a loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky utilizing the vector thrust of the two powerful F-119 engines, which literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you will see the Raptor perform the loaded roll.
Yeah, you can find us where the party's at. This is how we
Watch now as Major Dickinson repositions the aircraft to crowd left, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Dickinson lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Raptor's slow speed. from attack, and freedom to maneuver. However, our potential adversaries have not sat idly by. Instead, they have developed increasingly capable fighter aircraft and surface-to-air missile systems, potentially Ladies and gentlemen, just to keep you informed, we have a nearby medevac coming right here.
National Airshow.
Yeah.
Okay, we just got clearance to land from our medevac aircraft. Hungry or thirsty, stop by one of our concessions and check out our very large menu of airshow favorites. Of course, hamburgers and hot dogs, french fries, nachos, chicken fingers, and so much more. Bottled water for sale. Great Pepsi products, a big name in aviation for many years, our friends at Pepsi-Cola and Labatt Beer. It is America's favorite Canadian import, yet undomesticated with Labatt Beer. Don't forget that the stands are being staffed by local charitable